If you're building out a golf space, whether it's in your garage, basement, or a dedicated room, this turf flooring is one of those upgrades that completely changes the feel of your setup. Now, before I added it, my space looked fine, but once this turf went down, it instantly felt like a real hitting bay instead of just your typical DIY project. The first thing you notice is the surface. It's smooth, consistent, and has that realistic fairway style firmness that gives you a stable stance without feeling like you're standing on a rock. It's comfortable for long sessions, and it transitions perfectly, so you're not dealing with uneven surfaces. What I really appreciate is how clean and seamless it makes the entire space feel. When the turf runs from your hitting area all the way up towards your screen, it creates that professional, finished look that you see in commercial studios or golf sim bays. It makes a huge difference. Installation is real easy. It lays flat. I didn't even have to use carpet tape underneath it. It doesn't bunch up. It stays in place even when you're moving around or dragging your hitting mat. The size options make it easy to fit into different rooms, different layouts, and you can cut it clean to whatever size you need. If you're trying to elevate your space, this is one of the easiest, most impactful upgrades you can make. It looks great, it feels great, and it works great.